So guys, as you know, the town car has that bad battery. Not bad, but old battery. And I'm not sure if it starts since I haven't hooked it up for a while on the trickle charger. But since we don't have snow and we have an extremely mild winter, oh, I locked it. Let's go for a ride and talk while we do that. So far so good. The lights are on. Put the key in. Look at that. Started a little slow, but you know what? Never fails. Town car always starts. Well, you know, battery trouble can happen though. I've had that before. It also says oil change required, and that is because not the mileage, but every year you have to do an oil change. So not gonna do an oil change now in the middle of winter. I'll do an oil change in spring when I get ready to drive it more often. So hold on just one moment. I'll go on the road, and for you it will just be a split second and we'll talk a little bit more. Welcome to my channel, and I think I already told you Merry Christmas, but here again, Merry Christmas, belated Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. When this video comes out, it probably is already the new year, but there we have the first topic. I took a little bit of a break, about 10 days, maybe 2 weeks. No particular reason. Sometimes you just have to stop and take a break, you know. The holidays are fun. You get together with family, some people get together with friends, some people spend it by themselves, which is also fine. It doesn't matter. Everyone has to know what they want to do and what they don't want to do over the holidays. But I think it's always a little bit stressful for everyone. You know, it's nice, but it's a little bit stressful. So hopefully the new year will be great. I think it will be, and yeah, we can't change it. So here we are in a new year. Now the video is out probably, and let's make the best out of it. And I'm sitting in one of my best cars, in my Lincoln Town car here. I truly enjoy the car. Normally I don't drive it in December, but as you can tell, look at that. Beautiful. No mountains. Of course there are mountains. No snow, nothing. We have maybe a couple days where it snowed and it melted, and there's no snow, and we need the snow because we need the water. So we're in Utah here. It's a desert climate, and we have the desert here even in northern Utah, and we need the water. So hopefully it will snow. Anyways, I don't drive the town car. It has that old battery, as I mentioned. This year I'll get a new one, brand new battery for the town car. Maybe a Motorcraft again, maybe not. I had some users leave comments and give me ideas on what batteries to buy that are good, and I'll go back and look at that because I value each of your comments. You know, I really enjoy that when I get some advice and some people commenting on my videos. I have a couple questions to you about the town car, asking for a couple opinions, and we'll do that when I find a nice spot to stop. We'll talk about it. So until then, what was another thing I wanted to talk about? I forgot. You know, with the holidays you forget a lot of things. As I said, I'm filming this now. The video will come out a little bit later. I need a little bit of a break. Oh, guys, do you know that I have a second channel as well? This is my car channel, but I have another channel, and it started as a walking channel. So I did like silent walking tours when I travel, either alone or with the family. It doesn't matter. I always have the camera with me, and I just walk in cities, on dedicated hiking trails, in parks, wherever, and I film. even exhibitions. I go car shows, and I just film. If that's something you wanna watch, it's Enthusiast Walking Tours on YouTube. So I'll put the info in the screen so you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, go ahead and look at it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to do that. So I would enjoy it if you would do that. Also, it started as a walking tour channel, but I do a little bit more now. I do hotel room tours and reviews. So that is something. Look at that. Yeah, I mean, it's fun to have a fast car, but going that fast around people here is a little bit ridiculous too. So, but we all make mistakes and we all act dumb sometimes. So I don't usually judge people, but you know, there's a place to go fast and there's a place where you don't do it. Alright guys, let me drive somewhere fun and we'll get out the vehicle. I'll tell you a little bit about my plans with the town car, alright? So see you in just a second. Here we are, guys. So, and I found the same place I always stop. And you know, this is not only a nice place to stop and film cars, there's always nice walks you can do here. And it's a bird refuge here. And yeah, there's a lot to say about this, you know. Anyways, let's get back to topic here. Here's the town car. And as you know, it's in a pretty good shape. Drives well. I love it. I don't want to say you want more of it. You know who that is on YouTube who says that? If you know, let me know. The tires are still good too. I bought these a few years ago. There's still plenty of thread on them, I believe. They are the Goodyear Assurance all-season tires, and I bought those because I just wanted to buy a quality brand, and I thought Goodyear is good. It's also an American brand, and it says on them made in the USA. A lot of the cheaper brands, they are made in China, Thailand, Vietnam. Yeah, but there's also very good, little bit cheaper tires that are made in Korea. I know that, and I used them before. But anyways, I chose these because they perform good too. They're all seasons, even I don't drive in the snow. Anyways, white walls would be better. Yes, I know that someone will say you can get the Travel Stars. Had the Travel Star tires. They are made in China, which that's something I don't like. And mine on my car did not perform well. So they perform well on the dry. When they were older and wet, horrible. I threw them off, and yeah, I got something better right away. Not happy with them. Let's talk about the wheels. These are the original chrome wheels that came with the car, and the chrome starts to peel off. It's kind of a disease they have, you know, on Ford products when they get old, that the chrome is kind of peeling. Not just the rims here, but also other places. There's that chrome, that peeling here. Look at that, peeling there. Yeah, they're still good looking though. You know, it will take a long time till you really notice it, but still. What would you think about buying some different wheels for this car? I would always keep the originals as well, so I can put them on, but I would buy some different ones just to, yeah, that complements the town car. Is that a good idea? Bad idea? What do you think? I used to be a fan of black or gray wheels a lot. Not anymore. I think, especially for a car like this, chrome is the way to go. Now, chrome is kind of out of fashion right now. Not too many vehicles have chrome wheels anymore. You think it would be a good idea to find some chrome wheels that fit? Also, I don't want to put something crazy on like 22-inch wheels on them. That's, I know if that's your taste, that's fine. I respect that. But for me, I don't enjoy it. I want something that fits it, you know, and it fits the era when the car came out. These are 17-inch wheels on it. I think 18-inch is probably still good, possibly 19, but no more than that, unless I really like the style and it looks good. Or how about the Lincoln Aviator wheels that you can put on? I think they're 20s though. Have you seen those on town cars? I'll put a picture in it right here. I found someone that has them on. So what do you think about these? Is that a good idea? I don't know. Just give me ideas. I'm not saying I do it or I won't do it. Just give me ideas. See what you think. Future plans for the town car. I want to have it detailed. I mean, I do everything myself, and I'm not a professional detailer, so the paint probably needs some paint correction on some spots. The seats are pretty decent still, but you know, when a vehicle gets older, it needs something. This top here definitely shows its age. See, the stitches are coming out on some spots, and since I had garaged the vehicle, the top will probably last for a long time. But if I ever find a way to redo it, I might do that. Maybe take it completely off is an option too. This town car here, when I got it, had zero rust, and if you look underneath it, check my videos, it still has almost no rust on it. So I'm pretty confident there's no rust underneath that top. But who knows? Who knows? So that is one thing I may do one time if I want to spend some serious money. Of course, it's not cheap. I'm thinking about it, but it's not not something I need to have. There's a scratch here. That was the first owner who touched that up, and I forgot about it. I don't know, I see the vehicle all the time and I just overlook it because I just don't notice it anymore. Very rare. It has the first windshield still, so it's the Lincoln logo in it. Has the first windshield still. It does not have a windshield from one of the glass places like a lot of cars, which surprised me because I keep getting rock chips all the time on the other vehicles. I got a rock in the grill, brand new grill that I put on. Now the chrome starts flaking because I got a rock that hit it. Well, that was unfortunate. I don't like that, but you know, it happens. Sometimes when I drive over speed bumps, there's like a thud sound in the back and the rear here. Don't know what that is, because the shocks, I had them checked and they said everything looks good. The air suspension looks good too. It's level, and so I'm not sure what that is. Exhaust is good. It's just an almost perfect vehicle, you know. I really love it, and I enjoy driving it. Yeah, so I think that was it for the video. Just a short update, nothing major. Oh, I get a lot of comments about the three Lincoln emblems here. What there, and one there, and one of the license plate. I know that looks a little tacky when you notice it, when you look at it, but when I put them on, I didn't think about it. And there's a really nice license plate. I really like it, so I want to keep it because the gold, see, was a really nice one. It was not one of those cheap plasticky ones, so I really want to keep it. But yeah, you're right, it looks a little funny, but then again, you have these two too, and nobody seems to be bothered by that. So how about that? Yeah. Give me ideas. Tell me a little bit more what you would do with the car, what you would change. Tell me about your own town car. a lot of you have seen your town cars, and I love them. You know, I try to comment on your videos as well if you have a YouTube channel, and if I don't, maybe I missed your channel, and let me know, and I'll look at your channel. I'm not jealous of other people having a channel. I think we should all share and support each other, no matter how big or how small our YouTube channel is. That's what I do. Yeah, so guys, I wish you a happy new year again, and yeah, hopefully we'll get snow here. I hope you have a good time, and when you watch this video, yeah, it will be the next year already, and yeah, you'll hear from me soon. All right guys, have a good one. Talk to you soon.